Hey guys, what's going on? Nick here. All right, so I want to take a look at something interesting that's going on that we haven't seen in a little bit, and that's a little bit of a correction going in the market. So if we take a look at my screen now, take a look at the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P here. At one point the Dow was up to over 26. It's down to 24.9 right now. Look at it this way, guys. That's a good thing. Okay, so think about if you guys have traded penny stocks or any type of small cap stock really that's real volatile and stuff like that, and you've gotten caught in a halt. All right, so anytime a stock price shoots up way too fast, the SEC jumps in and they put a halt to it and they do whatever it is, and then usually it drops 50% or whatever. It makes things kind of sketchy, at that point. So that's kind of what's going on here. It's not going to be halted, but we like to see a downtrend every now and then in the bullish market we see, because that's healthy for the market. We don't want to see a market just keep skyrocketing up and up and up and up and up and up, especially if you're day and swing trading. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't play long term 10, 20, 30 year investments. Okay, I'm in and out real quick. So I'm actually happy to see this. This is going to lead to increased volatility with the market. You got to be careful and you have to protect yourself. All right. So if we look at the Dow, Dow finished 2.33% today, but it finished at 24.9. So it kind of it went up here for a little bit, then it kind of went down, then went up a little higher. Hopefully, it's going to keep on going up. Same thing with the Nasdaq. Same thing with Nasdaq, and same thing with the S&P 500. Okay, so to me, yes, of course, I'm leery, and my advice to you guys is always be leery on this too, because we don't want to see a major crash or anything obviously happen, because nobody can predict the future of the stock market, least of all, traders and stockbrokers and everything else. Let's face it, guys. So we got to be reactive and try to protect ourselves. But pay attention to what the market is doing. Okay, so 3 out of 4 stocks, they follow the market. All right, so there are still plays to be had in this type of market. So even when it retraces back, still look for dip buys, look for gap plays. If you're into shorting, look to short. All right, so let me see if I can pull up my stocks to trade here. All right, so I have the power shares and I also have the S&P. So I was looking at that actually earlier. So you can kind of see, the uptrend we've had just forever. This is the year-long chart right here, and this thing's just powered up, and all of a sudden just wham, got crushed, and now it's starting to maybe possibly rebound right here. We're seeing a doji or a spinning top, or however you want to look at it, if you read candlesticks. So that could, it could be a good thing, for the health of the market. But if you look today, stocks like, say, DPW and KTNT, this one was up 41%, 37%. APHQF up 47% today, with decent volume. We're not talking, this one right here up, 1,800% on 758,000 shares, which could possibly be good volume. I've traded INPX before, but, you got to be careful with stuff like that. But, on some of the decent volume, DPW, even in this market that we've had today, here is a fantastic trade. Look at it. We had a morning panic. And then right off my other videos, right? Morning panic to a dip buy where it goes, $1.08 all the way up to $1.30 almost. And then it just kind of consolidated up. It didn't really make lower highs and lower lows. It kind of held good support. And then from there, just kind of skyrocketed. This one's a good hold for all day today. You could have easily gotten in this one at $1.25 and gotten out, $1.60, $1.50, somewhere in there, made 25 cents a share. So even in this market, there are plays to be had. So I want you guys to realize that. Be cautious, trade on your toes, but don't be scared of change. Adapt to change, understand that strategies change, and have different patterns and different plans in your back pocket, okay? I have 3 or 4 patterns that I like to play going long. Pretty soon I'm going to post some shorting patterns I like to do, okay? And I conform to the market, okay? Every night I do my research, and I have a game plan for stocks. And I'm able to adapt to it. And that's what I want to see you guys do, all right? So keep on looking at my videos. Keep on researching the market. Look at YouTube and other videos, all right? Check out Timothy Sykes and check out his videos. He's got fantastic ones. You guys have heard me promote him several times. Again, I am not paid by Tim Sykes at all. I just learned from him, all right? And really just kick butt and take advantage of this market. And guess what? If the market starts going bearish and we start going into a bearish market, okay, then that's okay. There are plays to be had there too. So don't be scared of that. You just have to change and tweak your strategies a little bit, but you still can do very well. Stick to your rules. Cut your losses early. Have a game plan going in. Don't just throw money everywhere. Make sure that if you're not ready to go into a trade, don't force it. Stick to your rules. I cannot stress that enough. All right, guys? All right, so if you have any questions, please, as always, comment on my page. Tell your friends about it. Subscribe to it. I'm making this page to help as many people as possible. I'm not trying to get a YouTube channel where I can make money off of whatever. I'm doing this because people like this have helped me when I first started trading, and I want to give back, all right? So if you guys have any questions, please post comments. Let me know, all right? We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.